Hey guys, what's up? Ed here with Pappy's Garage. I have been remiss in giving you my first space-saving tip. You know, I work in a two-car garage, barely adequate for two compact cars. I've got half of the garage for the Camaro project. My wife uses the other half for her furniture projects. But I tell you, the real saving grace here has been these Vehicle Dollies. Now, I picked these up at Harbor Freight. It's probably 45 bucks for a pair, $90 for a set of four. But they're great, man, I tell you. They make a hydraulic set that actually has a jack built in. You slide it around the tire, you step on the pump, it closes up, it raises the car so you can push it around. Well, here's the problem. They stick out on the sides for the lift assembly. Well, in my garage, with the space that I have, that doesn't work. So these Vehicle Dollies are the trick. Sure, I gotta jack up the car to put these under, but you know what? It works, and it saves me space. So all I gotta do is jack the car up, slide the dolly underneath, and now, nice and easy like, just lower the car onto the dolly, if my jack will cooperate with me today. Well, let's try again. There it goes. Now, the cool thing about this is all I gotta do is just push the car around. Maybe kind of hard for you to see since I'm holding the camera, but you can see that right there. I'm just moving the car around one-handed. So, want to save some space, make life a little bit easier for yourself. Pick up a set of wheel dollies. Like I said, check them out at Harbor Freight. 45 bucks for the pair. I don't think you can beat it.